Hey, this is Carl up here in Fairbanks, and today is April 2nd, and as you can see, it is snowing out, and there's my thermometer. We're right around 26 degrees, I think. But anyway, the interesting thing is that I just saw the first pair of eagles that I've seen this spring, so I'm gonna get out here. There's one. I'm not sure I've got the camera power here to, let's see if I can get up there. There he is, sitting up in the tree right there. So that one has the white head and the white tail, so it's probably 3 years old or older. Apparently when they're in their first and second years, they don't really have white on their tail or head. Anyway, I'm psyched that we see eagles. Also, just a little bit of commentary. It's snowing. I'm kind of psyched about that. It makes it really pretty. And like I showed you, it's, oh, there he goes. All right. It's in the 20s here. Oh, here he comes again. Let's see where he lands. He just flew away. Well, cool. Anyhow, looks like the eagles are back. I also saw some ducks back. I wonder if the two are connected. Something yummy for the eagles to eat. So anyway, we're having a real nice snow here. This is off my patio. There's the slough. You can see snowmobile tracks there. People like to zoom up and down. Also, all these bumps out here, those are moose tracks through the snow. There's a place where a moose laid down and slept over there. And if I would dig under the snow, there's a big pile of moose poop. Anyhow, well, this is Fairbanks on April 2nd, 2023.